The question of the day asks, what kind of TV antenna do you need so you are able to watch free HD TV? The answer to that pretty much depends on one thing: location. With the coming of the digital age, many locations are able to receive their local TV channels by using a simple indoor antenna. But there are also cases where an outdoor antenna may be the better solution. Like everything else, there are good solutions and not so good solutions. It takes a lot of effort to install an outdoor antenna as well as more expense, so you want to make sure you aren't getting something that won't work as well as it should. This video will go over the 4 best outdoor antennas available we were able to find based on our research. Stay tuned and we will cover the benefits of each one. We will also provide tips and tricks that will help you get the best reception for your location. Since outdoor antennas tend to be directional, meaning they need to be pointed in the direction of the broadcast towers, you need to know where your local towers are located. If you don't know where your local broadcast towers are located, then you can find out by using the Federal Communications Commission Digital TV Map. There is a link to these maps in the description below. Once you get to the map page, all you need to do is type in your address and all the area channels will be displayed. When you click on a channel, it will open a paragraph that will show you how far away the tower is, what power range it is at your location, and what direction in compass degrees. You can then use a compass to show you the direction to the tower. If you don't have a compass, you can download a compass app and use your phone. With this information, you should be able to figure out where to mount your antenna. You can either do it yourself or hire someone to do it for you. Now you have to figure out which antenna will do what you want. First thing is, don't go by the distance claims made by the antenna sellers. Some will claim a 150-mile range, which is not possible in most cases. Check out our video explaining why it isn't possible to receive broadcasts from 150 miles away. There's a link in the description as well at the end of this video. Also stay away from anything made with plastic parts. This makes them more fragile and susceptible to damage. You don't want to be climbing on the roof all the time to make repairs or replace faulty antennas. We have a video on which antennas to avoid. The link is in the description. The first antenna we suggest is the Channel Master STEALTHtenna 50 Digital HDTV Outdoor TV Antenna. Range is rated at 50 miles, which is valid. The coax connection is well protected and weatherproof and should keep your connection solid. This is the cheapest of the 4 and comes with the antenna, a mounting bracket, and 2 additional U-bolts which can be used to mount the antenna to a pole which is not included with the antenna. You can either mount the antenna to the eaves or fascia using the included mounting bracket, or buy a pole and then use the included U-bolts. The antenna itself is approximately 27 inches by 18 inches when it's assembled. Channel Master has been around since 1949 and has a good reputation. Today's price is $29. The next antenna is the McDuory TV Outdoor Yagi antenna with long-range reception capacity. It's available for attic or roof mount. They claim a range of 70 miles for VHF and UHF TV signals. It also has a weatherproof coax connection. In addition to the antenna, you also receive 40 feet of coax cable and a 17-inch mounting pole with bracket and bolts. The antenna is approximately 3 feet by 3 feet assembled. Today's price is around $38. Next one is the Antennas Direct 8-element high-gain Bowtie TV antenna with a 60-mile range. It's described as a multi-directional, all-weather antenna and can be set up indoors, in the attic, or outdoors. The antenna is approximately 29 inches by 42 inches assembled, making it one of the largest antennas. It look a little awkward indoors, but it can be done. The package includes the antenna and mounting hardware, which also includes a couple of U-bolts that can be used to mount the antenna to a pole. Today's price is $76 and the pole is not included. The fourth unit is the Channel Master CM4228HD High VHF UHF Antenna. This one is very similar to Antenna Direct's 8-element Bowtie antenna. This is the largest of the antennas at 41 inches by 33 inches. It comes pre-assembled and ready to go. Again, no pole is included, although a couple of U-bolts are included. This is also the most expensive unit at $149. Besides the 8-element bow tie antenna, they also have them available as a 4-element and a 2-element unit. Any of these units should work equally well depending on how far away from the towers you are located. The larger ones might work better for those further away from the tower, but we have made antennas of a similar design, much smaller than any of these, that have worked well 50 miles from the towers. Hope this helps. Questions or comments, leave them below. Please subscribe. We think our subscribers are the coolest people on the planet.